Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to prepare a very good hair oil to keep our hair healthy. I've shown a lot of fresh leaves in this picture. So it is always good to use fresh leaves and do not use fine powders as it would become very difficult for us to filter them. I will also show you how to mix this oil with other ingredients that aids in hair growth. I have also given the link on how to prepare aloe vera oil in the description box. So let's get started. It is very good to use a cast iron pan while preparing this oil, but today I am using only a stainless steel pan. Heat half cup coconut oil and add fresh curry leaves. I am also using dried curry leaves that was left over in my fridge. Fry them until the leaves become crispy. We can also add fresh gooseberries cut into small pieces at this stage. The stove should be on low flame while preparing this oil. Once the curry leaves turns crispy, add fenugreek seeds. I am adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Fry them until we get a nice brown color. Next we will be adding kalonji, that is black cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon. Turn off the stove immediately. Remove the vessel from the stove. We will start to add the powders now while the oil is hot. This is neem powder. I have taken only 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon henna powder. 1 tablespoon of hibiscus leaves powder. 1 teaspoon of hibiscus flower powder. I do not get fresh leaves here in my place. So when I went to India, I made coarse powder of all the leaves I am showing here. This is a very important point to be noted here. Do not use fine powders available in packet as it would become very difficult to filter them. Leave this oil aside for 3 days and after 3 days, we will filter the oil with a clean cloth. Our hair oil is ready now. We'll see how to mix this oil with other ingredients while applying on scalp. We'll take 2 small onions, peel them. Our next step would be to grate them. And squeeze out the juice with a filter. We can even use a spoon to squeeze out the juice, but I am using my fingers. So this juice would be around 1 teaspoon. We'll start to mix the other ingredients. 1 spoon of castor oil, 2 drops of tea tree oil, 3 drops of rosemary oil, and this is the oil that we prepared now. I am adding 1 spoon, 1 spoon of aloe vera oil, you can also add 1 spoon of almond oil if you have at home. So we'll mix this well. Now I'll show you how to heat this oil. Do not keep this mixture directly on stove. I have taken a bowl with hot water. I'm placing this oil mixture inside the big bowl. We'll stir it. Once the mixture becomes warm, we'll start to apply it on scalp. People having sinus issues, please soak for not more than 20 minutes. Others can soak for a minimum of 1 hour. Use this oil weekly twice to get a healthy hair. Thank you. Bye.